Zach Markwood, Assistant Production Manager, Surplus QA at Radwell, New Jersey. We are responsible for testing surplus items that the customers ordered. Customers are usually waiting for these items. A lot of them could potentially be down. Their line could be down, their whole facility could be down sometimes. So us getting those items out to them as fast as we can is extremely important. That can make you feel great, when you really have achieved for the customer where they're in a crunch situation, you're able to produce and get them exactly what they need in a timely fashion. That's awesome. Like it really is like, you're like, hey, we did it. Like that's one of those times where you can really feel like we succeeded. Safety to me means that we're kind of keeping ourselves organized, we're keeping ourselves clean. We are kind of really thinking about what we're doing and not just going through the motions of what we're doing. When we kind of speed through things and we do cut those corners, all we're doing is setting ourselves up to fail in the end. A lot of safety comes down to respect, right, for each other. My why is definitely my family, right? Like I got 2 small kids at home. My wife also works here. She's in sales, right? And it's one of those things where I can't negotiate on being safe because I couldn't imagine what it would feel like if something were to happen to me here. My wife would probably be losing her mind up here in sales, right? We're always taking the kids somewhere, going to the aquarium, the zoo. So I love to take my son fishing. We go fishing as often as I can. So I think he looks forward to it. Like when I ask him in the middle of the week if he wants to go, he gets really excited for the weekend. And, he kind of bugs me about it every day. Like, hey, are we going today? And I'm like, dude, I said Saturday. We're going to go Saturday. We only have so much time with our kids as it is between what we're doing here and what they've got going on, that I want to be able to take as much of that time as I can. I don't want to have to think about possibly not being able to do that. Like I would feel like I let him down immensely. Like I said, he looks forward to it. So I think if I had to tell him, hey bud, I can't go this week because I got hurt and I know you're super excited, that'd be awful. Hopefully, he wants to do that with me forever, So anywhere that we can go to be together is awesome. So, but I want to be able to be safe so we can do that. Like we deal with tons of items every day. I think we're shipping something like 400 items a day, right, from our department. It's a lot of stuff moving in and out. So I think us kind of focusing on safety, it's just who we are. It's who we are. It's who we're gonna be. It's simply because I care and I don't want you to get hurt. I want to be safe for them, my family, my team. I want them all to be able to go home to their why.